With woodworking comes many risks, from the more obvious risk of injury from moving blades and cutters to the almost invisible threat of wood dust. The most effective control is to eliminate the risk, but if this isn't possible, then we need to minimize the exposure. Keeping young children out of the workshop when woodworking protects them and protects you from distraction. Removing power when machines are not in use is simple but effective. Use supplied safety guards or provide a barrier to avoid accidental contact. Upgrading your equipment to new machines that have improved safety features, such as saw stop and its finger-saving technology. Use tried and true methods of increasing the distance between you and the sharp bits. Instead of using your hands to push the timber into your table saw, jointer or router table, you might consider using push blocks or sticks. Push blocks and sticks are a great control to reduce the risk of fingers coming too close to a spinning blade. A featherboard is a hold-down safety device used to apply pressure to a workpiece, keeping it flat against a machine table or fence while the workpiece is being cut or otherwise machined. It can be positioned close to the blade, applying pressure where it's most effective and least likely to be overcome by vibration. Featherboards also provide safety and protection against kickbacks. Remember that woodworking can be dangerous, and a healthy level of fear and respect for the woodworking machinery and safety practices can help keep you safe. Personal protection is vitally important, but it is the last line of defense for safety. Woodworking can be a messy pastime, and reducing the amount of wood dust you breathe in is critical to remaining healthy. A high-quality dust mask can help keep you safe from harmful particles generated in your workshop. Unfortunately, only wearing a mask is not enough, as when you remove your mask after cutting, harmful particulates are still floating in the air. A high-quality dust mask, in addition to suitable dust control and extraction in your workshop, is always going to be the most effective combination. A range of filters are available that, when paired with the appropriate mask, will help reduce odors as well. Most woodworking machinery runs relatively quietly, but the operations involved in machining timber creates noise levels that are in the damaging range. Wearing earmuffs will help reduce the noise exposure level and the risk of hearing loss. When working with power tools, fitted tool guards and eye protection is critical. Safety glasses and goggles help prevent particles from entering your eyes and damaging them. Remember that most prescription eyewear is not sufficient in protecting you from flying debris. Protective gloves should be chosen based on the relevant hazards in your workshop. Carbatec offers a range of gloves that help protect the wearer from sharp knives and chisels while carving and whittling. These gloves help to significantly reduce the risk of cuts from sharp objects.